What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a video about these here bracelets. We're just going to talk about them. We're going to talk about the owner, the company, and all of that. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. First of all, y'all like my shirt? Crazy, sexy, cool, TLC. My brother gave me this shirt. This is actually my brother's. That's why it's muscle-like or whatever. But I like the way it look on me, and I feel like it look better on me, so he gave it to me. So yeah, so this is the company. It's called The Girls Essentials Co. Right here on TikTok, The Girls Essentials Co. She is a 16-year-old entrepreneur. She's still in school, y'all. She's 16 years old. She's in 11th grade. Yeah, she's in 11th grade, and this is her business. This is her TikTok. Okay, The Girls Essentials Co. She makes bracelets. That's her right there. She's so pretty. Her business is just bracelets, like. And yeah, that is her. And so I saw her on TikTok, of course, like her video went viral or whatever. So I saw her on TikTok and I was like, like I'm gonna order me some bracelets. But I had to wait because, you know, she had to do a restock and everything like that. Like, she does everything herself. She does packaging, shipping, orders, and she also makes the bracelets by herself. Like, she does everything by herself alone. So yeah, I waited till she had a restock. She had a huge restock. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and order 3, like only 3, and then if I like them, see how they are. If I like them, I'm gonna go ahead and order more. I'm gonna just tell you right now, I'm definitely ordering more on her site when she does her restock and things like that. Okay, so these are the bracelets. We have this pretty one right here. Okay, and then we have this beautiful one right here. And then we have, there were so many to choose from. It was so hard to pick those. You know what I'm saying? Like, there were so many beautiful ones to choose from. And then this is the last one that I got. So pretty, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, these are freaking beautiful, 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 beautiful bracelets. Okay. So I ordered them like April 30th or something like that, and the grace period is like 7-day grace period, 7-day grace period or something like that. And which I didn't care when they came, as long as they came. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're bracelets. It's not like I'm ordering food. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm door dashing food and I need it right then. You know what I'm saying? They're bracelets. So I really didn't care like when they came, as long as they came. I know some people are not as patient as me. However, y'all have to realize, when you have a business, it's most likely just that person. And then especially if their shit goes viral and they are, you know, if their shit goes viral, of course they're doing it by themselves still. So they got all these orders and they're doing it by themselves. Like, give her time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I saw so many people talking about like, oh, well, you need to refund me my money. You're scamming me, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, do y'all not realize this girl is still in high school? She's in 11th grade. She still has a life. She still has to, you know, abide by her mother's orders, I'm sure. Her parents, whoever her guardians, I'm sure she still has to abide by her rules. I'm sure she still has a bedtime. You know what I'm saying? She's in high school. Like, cut her some slack. Like, what is y'all doing? Oh, I want my refund and all this other stuff. Like, yo, cut her some slack. And then it's like, I hate when people have businesses. I hate when people talk to people who have businesses rude as fuck, because it's like, it didn't even take all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, my order was taking a little long to ship or whatever, and I was just like, but my thing was, I wasn't concerned that it was taking long. I was concerned because I was like, did I type it in right? Did I do, because I was trying to go fast because everything was like starting to sell out. So I was just like typing in my information fast. So I'm trying to see if I emailed her, because I was trying to see if my stuff was like right. Did it confirm? Did it go through? You know what I'm saying? That's why I emailed her. So I emailed her, and sending a nice email is literally all it takes. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, hey, my order number is this, and that, and third. But I said, you know, take your time with my order. I just want to see if everything's like all right. Like, did it go through and stuff like that. You know, I know you're busy. I know you're still in school. I know you still have, you know, a life to live. So, you know, take your time. But I just want to know, like, is everything correct, you know what I'm saying? So things like that. And she said, yeah, you know, hey, orders are going out no later than Monday. Thank you so much for the support, and thank you for you know, being patient. Like, literally, that's all it takes. Just send a nice email. If you're gonna email, send a nice email. Usually I don't email, I just wait for my shit, because I'm a patient person. Like, I understand people have businesses and people have lives and people have this and people have that, you know what I'm saying? So usually I just go ahead and just like wait. But I want this, like I said, this was a new business. I was trying to put my card information quick because, you know, stuff was going fast, okay? But yeah, she's so nice, she's so sweet. My order came today. It's so beautiful. I love my bracelets. I'm definitely ordering from her again. And yeah, like, she has so much to choose from. It was hard to pick these. She has fall colors. They're just, look at them, they're just so pretty, and it matches like this set. That's what I was pretty much going for. Like, I wanted it to match my my bracelet and my ring, because I never take this off. If y'all realize, y'all see this in every video, this is very important to me. I don't take this set off. So yeah, and it matches with this as well, my Pandora bracelet. So yeah, I just want everything to match. But yeah, y'all, they're so pretty. I absolutely love them. The Girls Essentials Co. Definitely shop with her. Follow her on TikTok, follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram is the same as her TikTok, The Girls Essentials Co. She's really, really nice, really, really pretty, super sweet. She goes live. Follow her. Like, she has good bracelets. Like, they're so pretty, and she has a lot to choose from, okay? That girl be working, okay? One thing about it, that girl be busting her ass, and she be working, like, doing them bracelets. So yeah, don't ever let nobody tell you that your dream is too small. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you're too young to do this, because this girl is 16 and she has her own business, and she's in fucking high school, okay? Still in high school. You go, girl, you go. Okay. And she gave me a little sticker. I put it on my iPad. She gave me a little snowflake, and then I got a business card. It said, thank you for shopping my small business. And I said, we don't say small business around here, we say big business. I was like, you need to get cards that say thank you for either shopping my business or shopping my big business, because we don't say small business over here, and there is no such thing as a small business. It's either a business or a big ass business, big ass production business. You understand what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. My braids are still holding up. I absolutely love them. I'm not taking them out. The wheels gonna fall off. I'm wearing these braids till the wheels fall off. You understand what I'm saying? You hit me? But yeah, y'all, I love my hair. It's still beautiful. It's still pretty. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I feel so pretty. I love braids. I think I'm gonna add some beads on the ends when they do start getting a little bit old. I am still moisturizing my hair. Still make sure you moisturize your hair if you have braids, because it does definitely still need to be moisturized, okay? But yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow The Girls Essentials Co. on Instagram and TikTok. Follow my TikTok, Kylie Latrice 98. I did a couple videos with her bracelets and things like that. She has a restock coming pretty soon. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one.